show you where to look but do not tell you what to see. Welcome one and all to today's program. I, Edna and Sunil from class 10C will be hosting you for this event. Annually, on 5th September, we celebrate National Teachers' Day to express our gratitude and honor to those teachers who have inspired us and taught us about everything the world has to offer. This day was designated in 1962 to celebrate one of the greatest teachers our country has ever seen. Dr. S. Ramakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Madras Presidency, Tamil Nadu. He is one of India's most distinguished 20th century scholars of comparative religion and philosophy and was the first Indian to hold a professional chair at the University of Oxford. He dedicated his life for the education of the youth of the country. As every year, the day to wish our teachers is here. It is the occasion to remember teachers and to applaud their contribution to the overall development of each student. So, to begin with, I would like to call Hasna Jahangir of 6B to start the event with a prayer.
Distinguished personalities of the day, respected teachers and my dear friends, a very warm good morning to you all. Every year we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September to pay tribute to the teachers for their precious contributions. In fact, 5th September is the birthday of our former president, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was highly devoted towards education. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. The influence of teachers extends beyond the classroom well into the future. Now let me switch into my duty. I am here to welcome you all to this function. First and foremost, with great respect, I would like to welcome our dear principal, Reverend Father Varghese Puthanvettil OIC to this function. Next, with utmost pleasure and respect, I extend my hearty welcome to our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Abraham Matthew OIC to this function. Today is the day for teachers. I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards all the teachers. At the same time, I would like to welcome you all to this function. Now, I would like to welcome all my dear friends and all the people who work behind this to this function. Once again, I welcome you all to this function. Thank you.
Very good morning, dear teachers, parents and my dear students. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day. Because of the pandemic situation, we are kept apart and there is a formula of social distancing. Many students and even parents, they are missing the teachers. Especially in lower classes, even the student doesn't know, or the students do not know who are the teachers. When they come to the school, they are wondering, especially the KG children, what a school is, who is a teacher is, what a school situation is. All these are a kind of dilemma. Sometimes it is a kind of puzzle. So in the midst of these, we are celebrating this Teachers' Day. Of course, the higher standard students may be knowing their teachers and they know the classroom situations. All these things will pass. We will move forward. We'll have a bright future. We are praying for that. So on this occasion, I wish you all the best and wishing all the blessings of Teachers' Day. And you remember, always I know, especially you have to remember your teachers at this special day. And once again, thank you for your wishes for us, and be safe and stay at home. Thank you very much.
Very warm good morning to one and all present here. I am Afiazi of Standard 5A. Today, I am here to share my regards to all teachers celebrating Teachers' Day. So, who is a teacher? I will tell you, it isn't someone who teaches something, but a person who inspires the students to give out her best in order to discover what she already knows. It is the supreme act for the teachers to awake joy in creative expressions and knowledge. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all teachers for their selfless efforts and ardent love through which they build us and guide us. All the hard work and efforts you invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in millions. We can only feel grateful for having a teacher like you all. Wishing all my teachers joy and happiness. And you are amazing and always deserve the best. Happy Teachers' Day.
Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Karadalam Mugaram, Karanile Talugum, Karunajaraju Guru Buddha. Karadalam Mugaram, Karanile Talugum,
principal, vice principal, teachers, parents, and my dear children. Every year we celebrate Teachers' Day in our school. As you know that in this pandemic situation, we cannot gather in a particular place and cannot celebrate this day in the school. So today we are celebrating the Teachers' Day in an online mode. It is a special day for all of us. We can pay hearty tribute to teachers who take efforts to build the future of the children. Teacher is a friend and guide of our life who imparts knowledge and great values in us. Teachers take best efforts to turn the students into respective citizens. Teachers play an important role in everyone's life. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on 5th of September. And this reason of Teachers' Day began in 1962. There is a great reason behind the celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th September. In fact, 5th September is the birthday of our former President, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and was highly devoted towards education. It is the day to respect our teachers. Teachers are like our parents. They guide everything. They taught them there is nothing which is impossible. Teachers' Day celebrated in all educational institutions where the teachers showered with flowers, gifts, who expressed the thankfulness and love. On this occasion, I would like to tell a famous quote about the teacher. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Dear children, believe in yourself, trust yourself, so that success will come easily in your life. Every problem is a challenge to prove yourself and skill to be developed. Your preparation, hard work, efforts, and determination decide your success. Life is all about new opportunities and new chances. Never be afraid of taking new chances. You have the ability to do any kind of work, whatever it is, easy or tough. So be confident and work hard to get your dream. Children, you are the persons, you can change the world. You have a big responsibility to make the world better. I know you can do this very well. As a student, the most important thing to remember, the laziness is your worst enemy and hard work is your best friend. So my dear children, you should respect your teachers. You love your teachers. Moreover, teachers are the second parents. You should receive massive help from your teachers. So children, you remember this. Value of teacher is compared to God, because teachers are the gifts of God who make careers, guide towards success. I wish good luck to all my dear students and happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Hey
ब्रह्मविष्णु शिवात्मकं गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मात् सम्पूजयेत् गुरुम्।
I adore my teacher because a teacher takes a hand and touches a heart. Happy Teachers' Day.
I adore my teacher because they guide us and inspire us. Happy Teachers' Day.
I adore my teacher because you are not only our teacher, you are our friend, philosopher and guide, all molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
I adore my teacher because she or he believes in me, encourages me to reach my highest potential and convinces that I can do anything I set in my mind. Thank you, teacher.
Just wanted to let you know how much your time, effort and hard work is appreciated. Happy Teachers' Day.
I love my teacher because that is the soul whom I remember first when I fall in crisis. Happy Teachers' Day.
birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a great president and an excellent teacher. Hey teacher, raise our head, opens our mind and touches our heart. A good teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. The word teacher means T, challenger, E, elegant, A, awesome, C, caring, H, helpful, E, encouraging, R, responsible. To all our dear teachers for helping us bloom and grow. Happy Teachers Day!
Good morning. I am Srihari S. from class 5th, honored to propose on the vote of thanks on the Teachers' Day event. Albert Einstein once said, "It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge." And we are here to celebrate that art and that artists, our beloved teachers. First, I would like to thank our principal, loving and respected Reverend Father Varghese Puthanvittil OIC, who is the source of our own inspiration and who guides us keeping the future in mind and preparing us to face all the challenges in life with the positive way. Next, I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Abel Matthews OIC, who is the constant guidance. Next, I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Abel Matthews OIC, who is the constant encouragement to us in doing things comfortably. So, lastly, I would like to thank our teachers for their sacrifice in making all of us truthful to the future. Have a great Teachers' Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.